So what a great way to spend an hour with your granddaughter, just come out into the woods. It's only our local woods, so there is a lot of people about, but this is just a little quiet corner I've found. And it was only a last minute thing. We just decided to grab some hot chocolate stuff and some burgers, and it's 4 o'clock on a Sunday, so it's great for me because it just gives you a bit of time just to chill out, and it's great for Mia as well because it gets her away from phones and screens and stuff like that. So